So chemotherapy is a medication that is used to fight the cancer cells in your body. Unfortunately, it is not a smart medication. It's going to fight the cancer cells and the good cells in your body that rapidly multiply. One of these cells is what we call your white blood cells. They are a cell in your body that are used to fight an infection. So when you get sick, it could be a simple cold or, a big virus. These white blood cells will come and fight the virus. When you're on chemotherapy, it tends to drop your white blood cell count, which is what we call an ANC. We will monitor that during your visits, and if you drop too low, we usually will hold your chemotherapy or put you on some medications. There are signs and symptoms, however, that we would like you to look out for when you're at home to help combat you getting anything such as a simple cold or a virus, because when you're on chemotherapy medications, these can be detrimental to your health. When you do come for your first visit, we give you a thermometer, and that is to check your temperature. If you ever feel like you have some chills, you are not feeling like yourself, you have a cough or a cold that you haven't had before, you have some burning with urination, or any other things that just feel kind of out of your normal health. The temperature we ask you to call us for, and usually we'll tell you to go to the ER or come and see us here in the clinic, is 100.4. That's your magic number. If you get that number, we want you to pause everything you're doing, call the RN line, and we will advise you what to do from there. Things to do at home to avoid catching a common cold or a virus or anything that can make you ill are a lot of the things we ask you to do every day. So that's hand washing, staying away from people that you know are sick, covering your mouth and your cough and asking people to do the same when they're around you. Cooking and cleaning your food very thoroughly, so especially fresh fruits and vegetables. I've had questions where people are scared to eat them because they are under the impression they can't. You can eat fresh fruits and vegetables. They do not have to be cooked, but we do want you to wash them very thoroughly. As far as your meats, those we would like you to have everything cooked thoroughly and to the appropriate temperature, so no rare steaks. And then just basic good home and hand hygiene, and you should be able to avoid catching a common cold